thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're opening up the April Sips By subscription box. So Sips By is a monthly tea subscription. It costs $15 a month. I do have a code that is non-affiliated that will get you $5 off your first box. So you get your first box for $10, and in each box you get teas based on a survey you fill out when you subscribe. So you'll let them know what teas you like and don't like, what flavors you don't like. It's very personalized, which is great, and you get between 15 and 16 different teas each month. So I recently actually opened up 2 of their special edition boxes. So they have specially curated boxes on their website which are $15 each. So I will link my video down below. The 2 special boxes I opened were the Energized box, so they were all teas that had high caffeine content, and then the other one was a chai box, so it was all chai teas. And I thought those were both great. I'm still going through those teas. I actually had a chai tea earlier today, so good. But the box we're opening today isn't one of those special boxes. This is one that's curated based on my tea profile. So this is what the box looks like, that all the teas come in. I think it is super cute. So yeah, I'll leave all the information down below and let's get started and see what tea I received. This is what it looks like when I open the box. It says April Teas. So here's the front of the card, and on the back you can see it's personalized because it says made for Kitty. And it says, we hope this box finds you well, Kitty, and that sipping on these teas is able to bring you a sense of calm and comfort in these uncertain times. Our team sends love and strength to everyone in this amazing community. They did a little pun on that, community. Share a pic of your Sips By box to enter to win a free month by using hashtag Sips By box and tag @SipsBy in your caption, XOXO Team Sips By. And then here is a little sneak peek of the teas. Usually we get 4 of each kind, like so 4 teas by 4 different companies. So I'm gonna grab the first 4 I see here. I'll show you just one of them. So this is by Ticino, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Roasted herbal tea, dandelion caramel nut. It is caffeine free, acid free, made with organic herbs, and it's a swirl of sweet against roasted almonds. It's a medium roast. Here is the back, and again we got 4 of them. It says, enjoy a steaming cup of deep roasted, fresh brewed Ticino that delivers all the satisfaction without the caffeine and acidity of coffee. And then it talks about the ingredients. It's made with organic carob, organic chicory, organic dandelion root, organic dates, almonds, organic figs, and natural caramel nut flavor. So for all of the teas in the boxes, they always give you a promo code, so if you really like the tea, you can go on their website and purchase them. So the dandelion caramel nut tea, it is, again, caffeine free. We already know that. It says this cup of toasty warmth will satisfy your sweet tooth without overloading you with calories. Dandelion helps stimulate digestion and detoxification, a perfect dessert tea. And if you really enjoy it, they have a code here for 20% off. Ooh, the next one looks like it's a caffeinated tea, unlike the first. So we have 4 of them here. This is by Zest Tea, the energy tea, super berry samba. I even like the packaging, it's so bright and fun. And that is what the back looks like. And it says no jitters, no crash, 3 times more caffeine than regular tea. It has 135 milligrams of caffeine to be exact. And it tells you how to make it, and they were a winner at the World Tea Expo for Best New Product. And it's made with young hyson, Chinese green tea, natural tea extract, natural passion fruit flavor, safflower petals, natural strawberry flavor, and natural acai flavor. And this on here says coffee level caffeine. Zest Tea contains up to 150 milligrams of caffeine per cup. That's about the same as coffee or 3 times regular tea. It helps keep you focused throughout the day without the jitters or crash. And there is a code here for 25% off. The next one, we have 4 servings in here. So what they do is whenever they have like loose tea, they'll give you enough reusable muslin cloth tea bags that are disposable. So you can use these, which I think is great. So this is cookie tea, black tea, dark chocolate cookie, high caffeine, 4 servings. Was this made for me? Cookies, high caffeine, my favorite things. And on the back, which I'll read to you, it says, about this tea, this black tea blend is like indulging in decadent dark chocolate cookies, perfect for enjoying any time to satisfy your sweet tooth or after dinner as a dessert tea. Sip this tea on its own or whip up a scrumptious latte with your favorite milk. Sounds so good. The ingredients are black tea, cocoa bits, coriander, and flavoring. And all you do is get 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water and steep 4 minutes. See if there's anything else on here. So we already know it's high caffeine, love it. This black tea blend is perfect for enjoying any time to satisfy your sweet tooth or after dinner and dessert tea. So pretty much what we already read. And there's a code here for 20% off. And last but not least, we have 4 teas here. So we have 16 tea servings total, and this is by Ahmad Tea London, and this is black tea with flavor Apricot Sunrise. And I will read the back to you. It says, Apricot Sunrise, the vibrant flavor of apricots gives a playful lift to this quality blend of black teas. Feel the joy of the sunrise as you sip this uplifting and revitalizing tea. And it says on here, this is high caffeine. And Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. This juicy apricot tea pairs well with scones. And there's a code here for 20% off plus free shipping. So I think this is a great box. The only thing left in here is just like a little information card about Ahmad Teas. I've tried their teas before. I really like them. I've also tried teas by Zest Tea and like those as well. The other ones will be new to me. I'm trying to think, what am I most excited about? I think the cookie tea really caught my attention the most, so I might have to make that next for my next cup of tea. I would love to know what one you guys think sounds the best or what your favorite tea is down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Again, all the information, promo code, all the good stuff's in the description box. Please stay safe, stay well. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!